Shalom, and welcome to Lesson 8 of my Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. Before we jump into new words, let's do a quick recap of some of what we've covered in previous lessons. The Hebrew word for I or me is ani. You, when referring to a singular male, is ata. You, when referring to a singular female, is at. The word for he is hu. The word for she is he. To me is li. To you, when referring to a singular male, is lecha. To you, when referring to a singular female, is lach. To him is lo. To her is la. To us is lanu. To you, when referring to a group of male or to a mixed group, is lachem. To you, when referring to a group of females, is lachen. To them, when referring to males, is lahem. To them, when referring to females, is lahen. No or not is lo. The verb want for singular male is רוצה. The verb want for singular female is רוצה. The verb for must or owes for singular male is chayav. The verb must or owes for singular female is chayavet. And now, let's move on to new vocabulary. The Hebrew word for the verb to believe is lehamin. Le-ha-a-min. The verb believe for singular male is ma'amin. Ma-a-min. So we would use ma'amin for I, ani, when ani is a male, for ata, you, singular male, and for he. The verb believe, when referring to a singular female, is ma'amina. Ma-a-mi-na. So we would use ma'amina for ani, I, when ani is a female, for at, you, singular female, and for she. Now, let's see how we use them in a sentence. To say, I don't believe you. As a male speaking to a male, say, אני לא מאמין לך. I, לא, not, מאמין, believe, singular male, לך, to you, singular male. To say, I don't believe you, as a male speaking to a female, say, אני לא מאמין לך. I, לא, not, מאמין, believe, singular male, לך, to you, singular female. To ask, don't you believe me, when speaking to a male, ask, אתה לא מאמין לי? אתה, you, singular male, לא, not, מאמין, believe, singular male, לי, to me. So what I actually said is, you don't believe me. And what would make it into a question is the way you say it. To say, I believe you, as a female speaking to a male, say, אני מאמינה לך. I מאמינה, believe, singular female, לך, to you, singular male. To say, you must believe me. When speaking to a male, say, אתה חייב להאמין לי. אתה, you, singular male, חייב, must, singular male, להאמין, to believe, לי, to me. To say, you must believe them. When speaking to a female, say, את חייבת להאמין להם. את, you, singular female, חייבת, must, singular female, להאמין, to believe, להם, to them, males or a mixed group. To say, I don't believe you, as a female speaking to plural males, say, אני לא מאמינה לכם. אני, I, לא, not, מאמינה, believe, singular female, לכם, to you, plural males or a mixed group. To say, he doesn't believe me, say, הוא לא מאמין לי. הוא, he, לא, not, מאמין, believe, singular male, לי, to me. To say, she doesn't believe me, say, היא לא מאמינה לי. he, she, לא, not, מאמינה, believe, singular female, לי, to me. To ask, don't you believe me? When speaking to a female, ask, את לא מאמינה לי? את, you, singular female, לא, not, מאמינה, believe, singular female, לי, to me. To say, I don't believe you, as a male speaking to a group of females, say, אני לא מאמין לכן. אני, I, לא, not, מאמין, believe, singular male, לכן, to you, plural females. To say, you must believe him. When speaking to a male, say, אתה חייב להאמין לו. אתה, you, singular male, חייב, must, singular male, להאמין, to believe, לו, to him. To say, you must believe them. When speaking to a female, say, את חייבת להאמין להם. את, you, singular female, חייבת, must, singular female, להאמין, to believe, להם, to them, males. To say, I want to believe you. As a female speaking to a male, say, אני רוצה להאמין לך. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular female, להאמין, to believe, לך, to you, singular male. To say, I want to believe them, as a male, say, אני רוצה להאמין להם. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, להאמין, to believe, להם, to them, males. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.